Houston Raceway Park on this sunny afternoon. I think my buddy Mike's gonna come and join me, but for the most part I'm on my own today. Solomon had something come up, so he's not gonna make it, so it's pretty much just me, myself, and I. Mikey's gonna come, like I said, and we'll see if any of my other friends show up as well. But couple passes, see what it does, get ready for Cletus and cars, and that's it. Call it a wrap after that. We're not gonna try to do any glory passes today. We just want to test, make sure that the car can do what it's supposed to do, and maybe hopefully get a personal best out of it today. So we'll see. So let's get in line to tech real quick before it gets too long and go from there. Check out the setups rolling into Houston Raceway Park today. Good Lord. Talk about a dream setup. Double stacker plus a freaking awesome RV to go with. I'm wondering what car's in there, but it must be something fancy because that is a fancy setup. I mean, it doesn't compare to the old Great Dane there, but it'll do. It'll do. All right, pass number one. Here we go. Let's hope for the best for a clean, straight A to B pass. Left the tune-up alone, so should be good. We blew the tires off. That was the same setting that we had the previous night that we were here, and it took it. I don't know why I didn't take it this time. Maybe the track prep's not as good as it was last time. So we're just gonna touch the boost ramp just a little bit. It seems like it is transferring weight. It did hook out of the hole. It just unloaded a little further down. Maybe we got it a little too spicy going in. So I'm gonna decrease it just by a little bit, see what kind of 60 foot that nets us. Go out and try it again. The good news is that after I blew the tires off and corrected and coasted a little bit, I went ahead and popped it a second and stabbed it and just felt the car out to see how it was going to track, and it went really straight. So that's good news there. Let's go out and put some power down. If you can't tell, I'm freaking frustrated. Everything that I've collected data-wise over the amounts of years of going turbo on this F-body, everything I know that should work is not working for me, and it's extremely frustrating. I made some changes in the timing ramp. I made some changes in the suspension. If it doesn't net me some good results this time, then I don't know. Maybe I need to find someone, an F-body guru, to come down and help me out, because it's not, I just can't, I can't seem to handle it. So we'll see what this next pass nets us and go from there. Why does this thing not want to go straight? Oh my God. I don't understand why this car's fighting me so much. Try it again, I guess. Another disappointing video end sequence here. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy to go 8.4 169. I mean, it's fast and all, but it's not where I want to be. This car should be faster than that, needs to be faster than that, but unfortunately it's not happening for us. One thing we noticed that I really felt in that last pass, as soon as it goes into second gear, I mean as soon as it hits second gear, it unloads the suspension for some reason. I don't know why. It shifts into second, and then that's when it starts getting a little wobbly. I had to let out, get back in it, and then still managed to clock at 8.4 to 169. So yeah, that's costing us a lot of time, obviously. I don't know what the fix for that is going to be. I'm going to have to look over everything again, once again, put it up on the rack, do everything before Cletus and cars. Don't get me wrong, I know this is part of it. Yeah, I look disappointed, yeah, I look beat, but I understand that this is part of it. I just have to get through it. That's all it is. At least we were able to, the last two passes, able to get out of the hole for the most part. So we'll try, keep going at it, keep working, keep fixing, go from there.